Fence installers provide fence installation across Bedfordshire, from Luton to Leighton Buzzard, Shefford to Bedford, Dunstable to Stotfold, Houghton Regis to Biggleswade, Arlesey and Sandy. We take care of the whole process, from supply of materials to installation and removal of your old fence. Customer reviews on Trusted Trader, Rated People and My Builder give fence installers a virtually perfect feedback score over many years. Margaret in Houghton Regis praised a very high quality, good looking new fence. David in Stotfold said, "We are thrilled with your customer service and quality of the work. Thank you so much." Mark in Sandy observed, "Price-wise, the job was extremely competitive." And Leigh in Luton called it a brilliant job by an honest and friendly company. Both our materials and installation prices are always advertised. Call now or use our quick inquiry form or free price calculator.